Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get American Airlines a platinum status. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is access your browser on your computer and type in aa.com and get you to their official homepage. And right over here you can see various options on top. All you have to do is here in this AA Advantage section, tap on it and tap on this option of A Advantage Business Program. Once you have done so, first of all, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here in the section you can see travel smarter for business. This is the card. Here in the bottom you can see earn rewards wherever business takes you. All you have to do is tap on this explore all benefits, and you will be able to check out all of the benefits you will get within the card of yours. If you want to simply upgrade to the platinum, you have to make lots of points, right? So for that, first of all, you have to earn more miles over here, earn more loyalty points, enhance your travel experience, and that way you will be able to access the platinum card. And you can also choose to go to your account and check out the points, how many points you have gathered so far by going over here and simply tapping on this advantage status. You can simply earn tons of points and miles simply by tapping on this earn miles and checking out how much do you have gathered. If you go to advantage status right over here, you will be able to check out the advantage status of yours as well. And here in the section you can see you have advantage status and loyalty points of yours as well. Check out them. It will simply redirect you to another tab. As you can see, you have to get 75,000 loyalty points for you to get advantage a platinum. If you tap on this, you will be able to gather more information regarding it, what privilege you will get, what benefits you will get, and you're good to go. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.